question. So a bore well with the diameter 20 meters, is it right? So let me just draw the bore well. Okay, so from the surface of the land, so this is the surface of land, right? From surface of land they are digging the bore well. Okay, you know the well, is it right? So the well will be a circular shape, is it right? So if you take the top view, means there will be like a circular shape. I will write in the form of a top view. Okay, and they are having a dug of 10 meter deep, so this much meter they are digging, is it right? So that meter is given as 10 meters, so you can make in the form of a height of the total well also. Okay, and from the top view what they have taken, so they told the diameter as 20 meters, is it right? So diameter, so from here to here, this is 20 meters, so automatically you know that diameter, if it is 20 meter, means radius means what? Radius, you know, it is as half of the diameter, is it right? So half of the diameter means 1 by 2 into 20, which is equal to 10 meters radius. Okay, so now what we are to, so soil taken out, so one by one soil is taking out, is it right? So the soil is taken out and then it is spreading all around the width of 30 meters. So 30 meter means this much area. Now I'm drawing here, is it right? So that once again I draw here, so this much area after taking the soil out, means the soil will be spreaded over here like this. Okay, so automatically this and all the soil, so this and all soil means, so this is the thickness. Okay, this I can take in the form of a thickness. Okay, so thickness, width is of 30 meter, so that means what, not this is even 20 meter means, so thickness will be this much. Okay, so likewise the wells outer boundary have given a more importance, they are given 30 meter thickness, so that means what, center only very small area will be taking for getting the water out. Okay, now we can go for the calculation. Okay, so I just write a calculation. Now listen to me very carefully. The first one, we have to find the volume. Okay, so volume of the soil, so now it is in the form of a circle, is it right? So the volume of circle is pi r square height, is it right? So pi, you know, 22 by 7 into what is r 10 meters, is it right? So I can write 10 into 10, and you know the height is given as once again 10, is it right? Yeah, 10. And if you just do the calculation, if you're cancelling all the important terms, and you will get around, after calculation, because I have a calculator, so I have the value, see 3.31, yes, 3142.85. you know the volume is unit of meter cube. Okay, and you should know the area. Okay, so area of the, because they are given a embankment means what is total, that means like a cup, so you take the cup, so total area of the embankment, so total area of an embankment, which is equal to, so mainly you have to take the area of embankment, that is for well means what, you know that complete well, as well as you have to remove the area of well, so area of well, so this is like an embankment. Okay, so what you do means, first you have to know the inner radius, so inner radius is already, you know, it is 10, is it right? Once again it's right, inner radius equal to 20 divided by 2, already written, that is a 10 meter. And then outer radius means what? So listen me, inner radius means this is the only inner radius. Outer radius means what? From here to here you have to take a diameter, and after making the half you have to take the whole radius. That means what? It will be equal to, outer we have 30, right? This 30 plus this, already you know the value of 10, is it right? So 30, already the radius is 10, this is equal to 40. Okay, so once after make calculation, so we have to do this one, right? So we have to do this formula. So how we have to do this formula means, you know what is the area of environment, area, you know the value, is it right? So how we can calculate means, it is area, the formula is pi r square. Okay, area of cylinder or circle is equal to pi r square. Pi r square h means there comes a volume. Okay, so you take this one, area of environment of well. Okay, that means what, 22 by 7, that means what you are taking total well. Okay, 22 by 7, and then afterwards, which will be into total well. Okay, I am taking outer environment here also, because soil is taken out, and then I poured here, the thickness of well also taken, so 100 into 40, so that is what, 40 outer radius. Okay, 40 into 40 minus, you have take only the well, area of the well, is it right? I am taking here environment, that's why given 40. Area of well means only have 10, is it right? So you know 22 by 7 into 10 into 10, is it right? So here if you do all the values, you will get the answer of 4714.3 meter cube. Okay, this is the answer. So here you got that answer. So volume of soil. Okay, and the final calculation is you have to find the height. Height you have to find, is it right? So how you have to find the height means, so just write here. Okay, because of the very sorry. Okay, so height, if you consider me, sorry for the very miniaturized area. Okay, height is equal to, how we can have the volume by area. So you know, volume divided by area. So volume already knows it, right? 3142 is equal to 3142.85 divided by, here you know, that means what, this is area, is it right? Already I have written here 4714, so divided by 4714.3. if you do so means you'll get answer of 2/3. That is the option 4. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.